Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Just got bad news. I was out on the road and traveling with my daughter, and my wife texted and said a tree fell on her new Jetta. She just got it less than 6 months ago. It's new to her anyway. It's not a brand new vehicle, but it's a 2015 pretty darn nice TDI Jetta. So let's go outside here, and I just got home and see how bad this really is. Didn't look good from my initial impressions here. So let's go see. So you see here, the insurance company already asked to take videos and pictures, so it doesn't look good. It's very windy, as you can see here with the, I guess there was some tornadoes touched down in this area. The trees are not, as a couple of people are looking to see there what was going on, but the car is underneath it here. Boy, it came the suspension in pretty darn good. Look at the wheel, look at the back. My wife is, her car is slammed, man. It's slammed. Look at that stance, yo. Look at the stance. I would say it's pretty much done for the suspension on that side. Let's go around here and see how bad this really is. Yo, 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 look at that stance. It's fresh. My wife's got her slam Jetta. As you look at it here, not exactly slammed. It's slammed in the back. The tree slammed on the roof, of course. We got, oh wow, the sunroof is busted out. Front windshield doesn't appear to be broke at all, which is amazing. Wow, look at that. Wow, it actually, although it separated the body, it actually dented right here. It's all dented above the B-pillar. It's hard to see. God, it's windy out here. It's hard to see what's all. Wow, the back glass is busted, that's for sure. Oh, this sucks. Wow, not good. Big dent right here. Kind of hoping they just totaled this car, honestly. But I'm like her. I don't like having it on your Carfax. I don't like having just the stigma of having a freaking car in an accident just sucks. So I know I can understand why she's upset. I mean, you can't even see the car really on this side. I don't know how bad it really is. And of course my chainsaw isn't working right now. It needs all cleaned out. And yes, I did put stable in the gas, but I guess it's gummed up. So that sucks. Thought I'd share that with you guys, since you guys are like my electronic type family or virtual family. I don't know what you want to say there with that, but I'm sure the trunk's all, yeah, look at the trunk is caved in. There's the spoiler I put on a while back for. Poor car. So I don't know, hopefully they just total it, but I don't think it's going to be considered totaled. Alright, well, let's take a look at this and see how bad it is. Doesn't look good. We got that all, the A-pillar caved in. I think the hood survived. There was a dent, but it popped back out, I believe. This doesn't look good there. I'm gonna have to clean all that mess up. My wife was supposed to work tomorrow, which would be Sunday. There's a dent right here. Hard to see, but as a tree fell, it creased the whole freaking door there. I'm sure they're probably going to cry the blues and not want to fix that part of it. Whole suspension was caved in. Who knows what kind of damage is done there. I think the back's unscathed for the most part. Got some scratches. Not looking too good. Interior, of course, when I just moved it, we got dents all over this side here. So this roof, I think the way they can do that, I don't know if it's seamed there, but they probably just replaced the whole roof. There's a big crease right there. This is probably fixable. But the interior has glass, of course, all over the place. Glass everywhere. She uses this for a traveling nurse job, so she's gotta go out tomorrow on jobs, see clients, and the rental place is closed. They closed at noon today. Saturday, at least Enterprise closed, so that sucks. And they don't deal with anybody on Sundays, so they're gonna have to give her a rental car Monday. I'm gonna have to try to vacuum this all out, I guess. How do you even unlock this car? I have no idea. So we got glass everywhere. Freaking fabulous. I was kind of hoping they would just total the car, but it doesn't look like they will. They'll probably replace that roof and then just pull these dents all out and muddy it, I bet. I don't know. So there you go. It's my fun for the weekend. Got some minor, right here's a minor dent on the hood, but it doesn't look too bad. Some scratches, but could be a lot worse. Alright, I better get cleaning up the grass. Wish me well. See you guys soon. Thanks. Bye now.